Watch this fisherman use the most effective technique that only the most patient people can use, leading to the best catch in the whole lake. Day after day, he never gives up. The end is the true payoff. Then the day comes for his big catch.
Locked in a stalemate, the man was no. Rock in a hard place, it's battery control.
Would you ever be patient enough to try this technique?
What am I waiting for? Seed planted beneath my compass, my trail.
Like and subscribe if you love fishing too.